Summer is officially here, and that's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some amazing summer DIYs and life hacks. Let's head into it. Number 1, spicing up your beach towel. Fun in the sun is not possible at the beach without your favorite beach towel, but they can get super expensive. So with this quick and easy DIY for your beach towel, all you need is a bath towel of whatever color you'd like, and at your local craft store, get a string of fabric balls, like so. First, cut the string to size on each of the smaller ends of your bath towel, and then easily sew it on, and you have the perfect beach towel that is so adorable. Number 2, an easy phone life hack. This one is perfect if you want to be outside but still want to connect online. If you have nowhere to place your phone, all you need is to place your pair of sunglasses like so wherever you're sitting, and it'll work as a ramp holder for your phone. Number 3, beach background. I know you're having fun in the sun at your house, but if you're jealous of all of your friends enjoying their vacation at tropical places, all you need to do is make your favorite drink, and using your laptop or iPad, get a background of a beach. Use your phone to take a picture of your drink in front of the background, and it'll look like you are somewhere tropical. Number 4, DIY air conditioning. We know how hot it gets in the summer, and if you don't have any air conditioning, we have an amazing hack for you. All you need to do is freeze 2 water bottles until they're completely frozen. Once they are, take them out of the freezer and place them in front of your fan. It'll make the air coming from the fan so much colder, and you will be refreshed in no time. Number 5, DIY oil or sweat blotting sheets. These can get super expensive, so that's why we have this hack to freshen up your face if you're sweating outside, or if you have oily skin. Get some tissue paper from your local dollar store and cut it into small square or rectangular pieces. Place it in a small pack to carry around with you wherever you go if you need some freshening up. Number 6, DIY popsicles. This one is perfect if you love frozen yogurt and popsicles. All you need to do is get a pack of yogurt like so and use a knife to make small slits in the top of each of them. Get a popsicle stick and place them in each of the holes and put it in your freezer for a few hours. They'll quickly slip out of the containers and you'll have some frozen yogurt popsicles. Number 7, an easier way to hold watermelon. We all know how messy watermelon gets when you're eating it, but this is a perfect way to prepare it so your friends and yourself don't get too messy. First, cut your watermelon as you normally would, and once you have the triangular pieces, make small slits into the skin of the watermelon. Then, place some popsicle sticks inside of the skin, and you will have some amazing watermelon sticks that are easy to eat with little mess. Number 8, ice cream life hack. You know when you're going to eat ice cream and it is just way too frozen to eat it once you've opened it? Well, for this one, it's a simple hack to make sure you can eat your ice cream right away. All you have to do is simply, once you're done with your ice cream for the day, put it into a Ziploc baggie and place it in your freezer. Once it's done and frozen, again, it will not be too hard to scoop out. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for enjoying it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, and we'll see you guys next time.